shoal has either been captured or has fled, and the bats move on. Skills like this take practice, and for some mammals that practice begins in infancy. A young stoat, and it's not alone. These wild games are too much to resist. Stalking, chasing, and ambushing, all practiced in play. Soon the young stoats must hunt for themselves, and then these athletic skills will be crucial. It's September in the English countryside. This stoat is about to take on an adversary 10 times its size. It's too dangerous to rush straight in.